Welcome to our library unboxing, where we show you the newest items that we have for teens and tweens here at the library. And I'm so excited because summer is just around the corner and we have some really great reads for you guys for this summer. All right, so let's see what we have today. Our first book is Millionaires for the Month by Stacy Mcgonalty. And it says, how do you spend $5 million in 30 days? All right, this sounds really fun. Let's see what it's about. Felix Rennels and Benji Porter were never supposed to be field trip partners. Felix is a rule follower, Benji a rule bender. They're not friends and they don't have anything to talk about until they find a wallet that belongs to a tech billionaire, Laura Friendly. They're totally going to return it, but not before Benji borrows $20 to buy hot dogs, because $20 is like a penny to a billionaire, right? But a penny has value. A penny doubled every day for 30 days is $5,368,709.12. So that's exactly how much money Laura Friendly challenges Felix and Benji to spend. They have 30 days. They can't tell anyone, and there are lots of other rules, but if they succeed, they get $10 million each to spend however they want. Challenge accepted. They rent cool cars, go to Disney World, buy pizza and donuts for the whole school, and that's just the beginning. But money can't buy everything or fix every problem, and spending it isn't always as easy and as fun as they thought it would be. As smart as it is entertaining, Millionaires for the Month is a thought-provoking story about friendship, privilege, and the value of a penny. Okay, this one sounds so good. I'm definitely gonna pick this up. Y'all make sure to read it. What a great summer read, thinking about how you would spend $5 million. Okay? All right, let's see what we have next. Rivals. This is by Tommy Greenwald. All right, let's take a look. Two student athletes hungry for stardom, a young reporter searching for the truth, and a crosstown basketball rivalry that goes too far. The people of Wallthorn love their basketball, and one of the things they love most is the special rivalry between the Wallthorn North Middle School Cougars and the Wallthorn South Middle School Panthers. As the season begins, two star players are feeling the heat. Austin Chambers, captain of Wallthorn North, he worries that he's not good enough to live up to his father's legacy. While across town, the brilliantly talented Carter Haswell, captain of Wallthorn South, is already under pressure to get a scholarship that might ease his family's financial stress. While both boys do whatever they can to make sure that their team wins, Alfie Jenks, a school reporter, discovers that behind-the-scenes scandals are just as much a part of youth sports as on-the-court action. When she blows the story wide open, the whole season is jeopardized. All right, that sounds really good. Some of our basketball fans out there, you guys, I think will love this one. I can't wait to read it. Okay? Up next, we have some graphic novels. Now, these are all Alex Ryder by Anthony Horowitz. So Alex Ryder is a very popular fiction series, and it has been made into graphic novels. So we have Eagle Strike, Scorpia, and Archangel. All right, let's take a look at some of these illustrations in here. So you guys can see they're all full color, very fun. So Alex is like a spy and he goes on all these different missions. So it says Alex has just 90 minutes to save the world. Reluctant secret agent Alex Ryder is relaxing in the south of France with Sabina Pleasure and her parents when a surprise attack on their vacation home plunges him back into a world of violence, mystery, and video games that come to life. All right, so those sound really fun, you guys. Be sure to pick them up if you're a fan of Alex Ryder, or if you haven't read any of those yet, these would be a great introduction to that series. You guys will really enjoy it. Up next, we have Poisoned by Jennifer Donnelly. It says, mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the deadliest of them all? All right, once upon a time, a girl named Sophie rode into the forest with the queen's huntsman. Her lips were the color of ripe cherries, her skin as soft as new fallen snow. Her hair as dark as midnight. When they stopped to rest, the huntsman pulled out his knife and took Sophie's heart. It shouldn't have come as a surprise. Sophie had heard the rumors, the whispers. They said she was too kind and foolish to rule, a waste of a princess, a disaster of a future queen. And Sophie believed them. She believed everything she'd heard about herself, the poisonous words people used to keep girls like Sophie from becoming too powerful, too strong. With the help of 7 mysterious strangers, Sophie manages to survive. But when she realizes that the brutal queen might not be to blame for the attack, so Sophie must find the courage to face a more terrifying enemy, proving that even the darkest magic can extinguish the fire burning inside every girl, can't extinguish the fire burning inside every girl, and that kindness is the ultimate form of strength. All right, that one sounds really good, really cute. Fairy tale with a twist. Up next, we have Angel of Greenwood by Randy Pink. It's a really beautiful cover. Let's see what this one is about. 17-year-old Isaiah Wilson is on the surface a town troublemaker, but he hides the fact that he is an avid reader and poet who never leaves home without his journal. A passionate follower of W.E.B. Du Bois, he believes that Black people should rise up and claim their place as equals. 16-year-old Angel Hill is a loner, mostly disregarded by her peers as a goody-goody, but beloved by the adults in her community for her sweet and generous heart. Though they've attended the same schools, Isaiah never noticed Angel as anything but a quiet, Bible-toting church girl. Then he sees her perform a dance at a church service and finally connects with her brave, free-spirited beauty. When their English teacher offers them a job on her mobile library, a 3-wheel, 2-seater bike, Isaiah is eager to be in such close quarters with Angel every afternoon. But life changes on May 31st, 1921, when a vicious white mob storms the community of Greenwood. Only then do Isaiah, Angel, and their peers realize who their real enemies are. Set in the Black Wall Street of Tulsa, Oklahoma, Randy Pink's novel brings to life a story of tragedy and triumph. That one sounds really good. I think you guys will really enjoy this. Up next, we have A Vow So Bold and Deadly, and this is, it's by Bridget Kremer, and it is part of the Curse Breaker series. There's A Curse So Dark and Lonely, and A Heart So Fierce and Broken. So this is one of 3 books. Let's see what this one is all about. Emberfall is crumbling fast, torn between those who believe Wren is the rightful prince and those who are eager to begin a new era under Grey, the true heir. Grey has agreed to wait 2 months before attacking Emberfall, and in that time, Wren has turned away from everyone, even Harper, as she desperately tries to help him find a path to peace. Meanwhile, Leah Mara struggles to rule Syl Shallow with a gentler hand than her mother, but after enjoying decades of peace once magic was driven out of their lands, some of her subjects are angry Leah Mara has an enchanted prince and a magical scraver by her side. As Grey's deadline draws near, Leah Mara questions if she can be the queen that her country needs. As the 2 kingdoms come closer to conflict, loyalties are tested, love is threatened, and a dangerous enemy returns in the stunning conclusion to best-selling author Bridget Kremer's Curse Breaker series. All right, sounds really fun. If you haven't yet pick up those first 2 books and then read this finale. It sounds really great. What a great series to read over your summer break. Okay. And our last book for today is going to be Namesake by Adrian Young. And this is a sequel to a book called Fable. Actually, did the unboxing of Fable just a few months ago. So that's a new book that we have as well. So be sure to check out Fable and then Namesake afterwards. All right, welcome to a world made dangerous by the sea and by those who wish to profit from it, where a young girl must find her place and her family while trying to survive in a world built for men. With the Marigold ship free of her father, Fable and the rest of the crew were set to start over. That freedom is short-lived when Fable becomes a pawn in a notorious thug's scheme. In order to get her intended destination, she must help him to secure a partnership with Holland, a powerful gem trader who is more than she seems. As Fable descends deeper into a world of betrayal and deception, she learns that the secrets her mother took to her grave are now putting the people Fable cares about in danger. If Fable is going to save them, then she must risk everything, including the boy she loves and the home she has finally found. All right, I cannot wait to read Namesake. I'm gonna pick up Fable first. You guys do it too. These also would be great summer reads. And that is it for us today. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll see y'all soon at the library to come pick up some of these reads for the summer. Bye.